Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you know when I post a new video. Right now I am reviewing the Juvia'S Place new I Am foundation and concealer, and as you can see, that coverage is everything. I will say the foundation has more of a satin matte finish. It is full coverage. The concealer doesn't dry down as fast. It does give you more of like a hydrating type of formula, but it is medium to full coverage. I would definitely recommend this foundation. It is a little bit tricky with the shades on how to find your correct color. I wish there was a better theme or scale of doing that. And this coral palette is everything. It's so pretty for the summertime. As you can see, I'm using all the coral shades. You can never go wrong with Juvia'S Place palettes. They're highly pigmented, and like, look at that payoff. The foundation do range for $20. The concealer is $14. So it's definitely a good deal. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of my video. As you can see, I am using my SLR Beauty lashes in Bad Gal. They are 15% off right now. www.slrbeauty.com. And this highlighter, Makeup Shayla and ColourPop Pose is everything. I'm also using the lipstick in Spanked by Fenty, and this is the I Love Sarah He lip gloss. And there you have it, my completed look using Juvia'S Place foundation and new coral palettes. I tried so